Yeah.
Someone like yourself, we also have to take time to teach all of us. Well, how does that fall into the breakdown? Like for myself, I have to actually, like once I land a deal, I have to fill that deal by doing the recruiting side of it too. Like, and it's just that it becomes a whole other beast. So how do you break that down?
This way, and it's why I showed it at the beginning. Okay, there's my, it's always near me. This is my actual daily goal sheet that I'm working on right now. It's the only way to do it is to create, at least the only way that I know of. Create those daily goal sheets, because when you're having to, you should have a daily goal sheet even if your job is just sales, but especially if it's sales and other things, because you have to be super cognizant of where you're spending your time. And let me explain. If you only spend your time selling, the service side of your business, that leg of the stool is going to fall out from under you and you're going to fall over. If you only spend your time servicing, well, things happen. People leave companies, your relationship fails. It's no fault of your own. That company that was giving you, 5 jobs a year gets bought and they do a corporate, like if you don't support all legs of that stool, business generation, business service, and then your basic operation stuff, it's going to fall apart. So the only way that I found it is my daily goal sheet. So, I'm writing my goals down as if they've already achieved, and then I'm making check boxes. And like in mine, I won't go through mine, but I have.
When you finish watching this, I'm going to get you the closing mini masterclass totally free. It's normally $300. I'll pay for it. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.
YouTube edits that I need to do, because I'm editing those myself now, right? And all of those little things. I have to sign people's certified master sales consultant credentials. I have a box to where I don't end the day until I've gone into that folder and made sure that I've signed all the ones that need to be signed. Am I perfect every day? No, but I've mapped it out each and every day. So I would put your must-do activities for operations, for general business, and for sales all into one of these sheets, because that's going to be your roadmap for the day of what you need to get done. Otherwise, things get forgotten and they just pile up, and then it gets really ugly really fast.